The SpotGamma OCC Indicator gives you a great snapshot of all options activity from the previous week in one view across equities, ETFs, and indices. The Options Clearing Corporation, OCC, clears every options trade across all exchanges. SpotGamma refreshes this chart each weekend and then plots them all on one easy-to-read visual, which reflects historical activity going back to 2018. Increased call to open buying or premium purchases, especially net, generally can indicate more bullish speculation, while put purchases indicate the opposite, concern about the downside to current portfolio positions or downside speculation. To get started with the OCC indicator, you will want to click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Here you can select which options activity you want to visualize and then select by market participant. The choices for options activity includes individual closing positions and opening positions, both by contracts and by premium. Additionally, you can look at the total amount of contracts and premium purchased or contracts and premium sold. Also, you can choose to see the net amount of contracts or premium purchased in the past week and compare that to any week in the last several years for perspective on if traders are lined up as more bullish or bearish. Then you can choose if you want to see the positions being taken by all investors in the market or narrow in on whether you just want to track retail or institutional activity by choosing a field under the transaction size section. Then, to see the impact by your selected filters across equities, ETFs, and indices, separated by calls and puts, run your cursor over the chart. In terms of applying these insights, some traders use these charts purely to get a sense of how traders are positioned, while others will incorporate these numbers into their proprietary trading approaches or models. In summary, the OCC chart will give you a good feel for how investors are positioned and managing their risk, and these visuals can be paired with your thesis around individual stocks, ETFs, and indices.